You are my soulmate in every way, every day. I continue to choose you, and every day that choice gets easier and easier. So far, every moment we have spent together has been awesome, but I promise you that the best is yet to come. If only you know how much those little moments with you matter to me. You have no idea how much my heart aches when I see you. I love when I catch you looking at me. Somehow, just hearing your name gives me butterflies. What on earth did I think about all the time before you? If you were a movies, I'd watch you over and over again. If loving you was a job, I'd be the most deserving, dedicated, and qualified candidate. In fact, I'd even be willing to work for free in a sea of people. My eyes always search for you when I wrap my arms around you. I really never want to let go. How lucky am I to have fallen in love with my best friend? Do you have my idea how much I miss you every second of the day that we are not together? Loving you is like an addition to me. Every moment I spend loving you is like the moments I spend in heaven. The day I will stop loving you is the day I die. I love you more than myself. Keep up that sweet smile on your face always. My love, you inspire me every single day and make me a better person. The way you understand me like nobody ever did before, and even now you are my safe place, my home, where I find my solace and every bit of happiness. Thank you so much, dear girlfriend. You are my one in a million find, and I will never let you go. Sweetie, people can pretty, but no one can ever take your place in my heart. You reason there. You are my sensity, which makes me complete and satisfied. I never thought of feeling in love with someone I barely knew. Then suddenly I meet you one day and whispered something in my ear that this is the girl I have ever wanted. Since then, all I know is that I love you and want to be with you forever. I love you against all reason and all discouragement, and will always continue to do so. After loving you, I realized that love like this can only happen once a lifetime. I can't wait to witness my life flourish with you. You have made me realize what it feels like to be madly in love with someone. When I will become old, I will be looking back and memorizing our good days. You are my one and only. I cannot wait for the days when you will be my wife. Since the time I have met you, I cry a little less, laugh a little harder, and smile all the more just because I have you. My life is a better place every day with you is a wonderful addition to my life's journey. You are my happily ever after. Just when I think that it is impossible to love you any more than I already do, you prove me wrong. You are far more than partner.